Hello everyone, this is Aditya from Team Infinity, and today I will be presenting to you our project for Smart India Hackathon 2024, which is based on the queuing models for OPDs and which includes the availability of beds and admission of patients and many more salient features that we have added, which will increase the usability of our model. It is basically a city-wide module of a hospital-based solution which is highly scalable. So now here we bring you the code, and when I click on go live, as you can see, we land on the home page of our project. So the first thing that we need to do when we come here is obviously for a new user is to create an account. Let's say my name is Aditya. My email is abcd@gmail.com and the password is 1234. So as you can see, account has successfully been created. Now what we need to do is log in. So when we put in abcd@gmail.com and 1234, you can clearly see that it says login successful. So once we have successfully logged in, we can see all the important stuff and all the salient features and functions of our website. Let's say you want to book an appointment. So the thing you need to do is put in your name, put in your email, and put in your phone number. Actually, the email was different. Let me just correct it. ABCD. Yeah, there we go. Now let's say I want to see a doctor for orthopedics, and here we can choose whichever doctor we want from that category. Let's say Dr. Preeti Arora, and let's say we want to schedule our appointment on the 23rd with the preferred time being, let's say, 6 p.m. Now let's say our symptoms are pain in the joints. Now once I click on book appointment, you can see here appointment was booked successfully. Now as we can see, there's a lot of appointments here. These are our previous test runs, but when we come here, you can see our appointment has been put on hold and it's the last one in the queue. Now when we go back, we can go to buy medicine, and here we have actually put links for all the common medicines for all common and basic needs. Let's say you need a medicine for fever, you can actually click here and it will bring you to a website where they sell tablets of ibuprofen. We have also implemented our last year's SIH project, which basically included web scraping to determine the lowest price of an item, and thus as you can see here, it is a really cheap price right here. So it has brought us here. Now let's go back. Let's say you want to visit a specific hospital's website or check it out. So you can always come right here in our website, and let's say you want to see Utkal Hospital. You can click on here website and it will bring you to its website. Thus as you can see, the interface is very user friendly. Now when we click on health records, let's say I'm a new user. My name is Aditya, my membership ID is 157 and my phone number is this, age is 20, blood group is A negative, height is 180, weight is 80. Register. As you can see, our registration has been completely complete, and we can come here and log in Aditya 157, and when I click here, it shows all our important information. Now let's say if I had diabetes and I had put it there, as an option, then it would clearly show that health issues, diabetes here. Now I go back. Bed availability. This is another salient feature of our program statement. So let's say you want to book an ICU bed at the care hospital. So you go here, select care hospital, select the date, let's say today, and the preferred time is, let's say, 11:55. Then you select the bed type, let's say ICU, as I said. And as you can see, at care hospital there's 8 ICU beds available, which can easily be changed once a bed has been occupied by the clerk working at the hospital. Next, this is another feature that we have been working on. Let me just show you. Name Aditya, age is 20, address, let's just write something for the sake of it. Phone number, date, let's say we want to give our blood on the 21st. Preferred time is around 6:55, and we let's say the hospital we want to give it to is Ames. We have also added a feature of home collection here, but if we want to do a home collection, then when you click yes here, you need to prove to us that your blood is actually safe and give an proper authorization certificate. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to. Otherwise, you will have to come to the hospital to book to give the blood. As you can see, the appointment has been booked. When you go back, yeah, oxygen availability. Let's say you want to check for oxygen availability at the City General Hospital, one of the two hospitals. When you check here, you can clearly see oxygen is available at City General Hospitals. But let's say oxygen has been depleted and the clerk working there needs to change it. He just needs to simply click here, and it will be the status of the oxygen will be completely updated. Here, when you again check on oxygen availability, oxygen will not be available at City General Hospital. Thus, it is very easy to use for both user and the person working at the back end. Now, this is another important feature. Let's say my weight is 80, my height 180, age 20, blood pressure 180, low blood pressure 120, diabetes, let's say yes. Symptom 1, let's say fever, and symptom 2, what goes with fever? Cough, yeah, cough. So here we have actually used AI to simulate results of possible conditions. So when we put two symptoms here, as you can see, we have a possible condition of common cold. So we are actually implementing Python and other AI techniques to make it as accurate as possible. Next, we go to consult doctor. Let's say you want to consult a doctor at the Metro Health Clinic for neurology on right today at say 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So when you book a consultation, the request has been sent to Metro Health Clinic, and they will let us know if we can book the date and if the doctor is free. Thus, this is all, and here, and lastly, I want to show you this thing. Here you can contact us and give us all the feedback that you need, and any problems or anything that you want to suggest for us to further add to the website, because all your feedback is very important. So where you need to basically open the mail and send us a mail here, as you can see. Thus, this is the end of our project. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you so much, judges. This was our project.